Assalamu alaikum viewers with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. If you want to create a website presentation, you must watch this video till the end. So let's start. Create new composition and rename main. Create new solid. Rename to background or BG. Create new composition and rename BG animation 1. Here create new solid and apply the effect fractal noise. Change the value contrast to 160 and brightness to -60. Go to transform, change the scale value to 1200 and change the complexity to 1. Okay. Add the keyframe here, put the playhead to first frame and go to forward 10 seconds, change complexity to 2 point. Okay, go to first frame, add the keyframe and evolution, change the value here, go to forward at 4 seconds, change the value here like this. Okay, now add the effect hue saturation. Checkbox colorize, change the colorize saturation to 100 and hue to 60. Okay, now add the CC threshold RGB. Okay, right click and go to Precompose, rename to fractal noise 1. Okay, create new solid layer, drop down, change the track matte to Luma matte. Okay, go to main composition, create new composition, rename BG place holder 1. Drag and drop your file here. Okay, go to main composition and drag and drop BG placeholder and animation here. Drop down placeholder, change the track matte to Luma matte. Okay, now create new composition, rename media holder 1 and change the size to 700 by 1200. Drag and drop your file. Okay, go to main, add the media holder here, enable 3D, go to property and go to first frame, add keyframe at X, Y and Z rotation and position, scale down. Now change the XYZ value to -20 and -40 and -10. Okay. Now change the position here and here, add the keyframe of Y rotation add the value to 1. Okay, go to forward, change the position. Again go to forward, change position here like this, and go forward at 10 seconds, and here also change position and XYZ rotation to -10. Okay, now go to media holder composition and double click on shape layer tool, disable the fill, and change the stroke to 20, and also choose your color here. Okay, now go to main composition and add shape layer on double click, disable the fill, change stroke to 20, and change scale. Okay, now create new composition and rename it text 1, change the size to HD 9020 by 1080. Okay, type your text here. Expand the property, go to animate, add position, add opacity, change the position here and opacity to 0. Go to range selector, advance, change shape to ramp up, and based on characters to words. Based on 2 characters. Okay, go to first frame, add keyframe on offset and value to -100. Forward, go to forward 2 seconds and change value to 100. Okay, now create one more text. Change the position like this. Go to first frame, expand properties, go to animate, add position and opacity. Change the position, opacity to 0. Go to range selector, advance, and here change shape to ramp up, characters to lines. Add the keyframe and value to -100. Go forward at 2 seconds and change value to 100. Select the both keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant, easy as, and go to graph editor. Change here like this. Okay. Okay. Put the second text layer to forward half second like this. Now go to main composition, drop here text composition, and set the position and scale. Okay. Now select all composition, right click, click on Precompose and rename to scene 1. Okay. Create new solid layer, or you can also use pen tool like this and add a shape layer. Okay, enable the fill, select color white and stroke to 0. Go to first frame, go to position, add keyframe and change the position. Go to second frame and also again change position. Okay, go forward at 8 second, add keyframe and again forward to 10 second and change the position like this. Okay, now change the track mat of Precomposition 1 Luma mat. Now select the keyframes. Right click, keyframe assistant, easy as, graph mat. Go to graph editor, change like this. Okay. Okay, you can see it's wonderful. Select both and create duplicate by copy paste or short key control D. Drop down, go to position and change the keyframe position of first shape layer like this and second to like this. Okay, and Precompose, change the scale to 102. Select both, create duplicate, drop down, go to position of shape layer and here change keyframe positions like this and also delete the first frame. Okay, and Precompose scene to scale to 105. Again create duplicate, drop down, go to shape layer position and delete keyframe, change position of keyframe. Okay, and change the Precompose scale to 100. Now check it. Okay, now select all, right click, Precompose, rename it scene 1. Okay, and here create the duplicate, Control D, change the position, second scene to like this. Go to project window and duplicate the scene 1 and drop down on scene 2 by press alt. Okay, go to scene 2, select pre-compose scene 1, all layers, and duplicate, create the duplicate in project window, pre-compose scene 1. Okay, replace. Okay, double click on pre-compose scene and duplicate media holder 1, drop on media holder, create duplicate of BG animation 1 and replace with, create duplicate of BG placeholder 1, replace with. Okay, now double click on media holder 2 and here put your second file. Drop down under shape layer. Okay, go to BG placeholder 2 and change your text here, image. Go to BG animation 2, fractal noise, and change the evolution value here. Go to first frame, change value. Go to second frame, change value like this. Okay, okay, now go to main composition and play the video. Okay guys, if you like my videos, so kindly like it, share and comment, and also subscribe my YouTube channel.